Do you think financial planning is too complex within your business? Do your planning rounds often feel like this? Overtime and unnecessary night shifts can be quite annoying and reduce productivity overall. What if your planning process could be much quicker than today, allowing you all the flexibility you need, and being reliable without having to update multiple spreadsheets manually? We have the right solution for you. The CubeServ Financial Planner More is an SAP BPC Embedded-based enterprise hybrid planning solution that has been developed in cooperation between CubeServ and Evosight. It provides an integrated business application on your SAP Business Warehouse at a fixed price. We have powerful modules in place for planning, cost center planning, fully integrated with SAP ERP-System, financial planning, including balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and cash flow planning, and investment planning. It can be expanded at any time and customized with additional planning fields like CubeServ HR planning, sales or product planning, inventory planning, resource planning, and more. The CubeServ Financial Planner can be quickly implemented in your organization and finally customized individually at any time to meet your business needs. This is saving implementation time and money. Our business planning solution enables companies to plan for any scenario and quickly adapt to changes. The following features are available to you: multi-year planning, percentage growth planning, commenting, top-down distribution, and seasonality factors. Continue to work with the traditional Excel user interface you know and love, but add advanced tools, like for multidimensional analysis and planning. You can count on us to deliver a powerful engine that drives your growth and protects your data effectively. We want to help controllers spending their time on planning instead of collecting data. It can be so easy. If you want to take your advantages in the market, get to know the CubeServ Financial Planner. Available now.